In your course of reading, to understand about stock market investing, have you heard of Nigeria Banking Index before? The Nigeria Stock Exchange Banking Index reflects the overall health of the Nigerian banking sector and is widely used by investors and analysts as a benchmark for investment performance. Make sure you watch to the end to know how you can make your own stock selections. Hello guys. Welcome to Investing Style for Employees, where we discuss about stock markets, the economy, building wealth, money, retirement, businesses and personal finance for employees. If you are an employee, please like and subscribe to our educative channel. Note that this video is for educational purposes and not a financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Among all categories under financial institution, banks are the elephant in the industry. Banking stocks in Nigeria have experienced a massive increase since early 2022, gearing into 2023, with stronger upward movement. You will agree with me, prior to 2017, the banking sector has been on spotlight, being among the worst performing sector in Nigerian stock exchange. But everything changed when most of them switched up their performance, and also started changing into holding companies. Do you know that, since the start of 2021, banking sector has performed better than every other sectors in Nigeria? Also, the Nigerian Stock Exchange Banking Index, NGX Bank, which tracks all banking stocks on the Nigerian stock market, has been the top mover when compared with other tickers tracking other various sectors. The Nigeria Stock Exchange Banking Index reflects the overall health of the Nigerian banking sector and is widely used by investors and analysts as a benchmark for investment performance. With a focus on top-performing banks, the NSE Banking Index provides a reliable measure of the growth and stability of the Nigerian financial sector. As at the time of compiling this video, its 1-year return is plus 53.54%, and the current price is 607.29 naira. While Nigeria All-Share Index has returned a profit of just 21.88% over the same period, with index price of 62,569.73 naira. Before I proceed, let me explain what Nigeria Stock Exchange All-Share Index means. The Nigerian Stock Exchange All-Share Index is a benchmark index that reflects the performance of the Nigerian stock market. It tracks the performance of all companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. The NSE All-Share Index provides a comprehensive view of the market, giving investors a reliable indicator of market trends and investment opportunities. You can see other Nigeria indices, available for more reliable measure of their growth throughout the year, in the description section. Also, subscribe to our channel. Despite such dominant recent performance, banking stocks are still cheap. This year has been a tremendous story. The banking sector is showing a strong year-to-date value, so far. That's because many manufacturers are beginning to take advantage of opportunities these financial institutions has to offer. Of course, the fundamentals of many Nigerian banks are in place to edge higher than they are right now, over the next few years. And that will lift bank index prices. Most banking stocks are also cheap, have among them the best and highest dividend yield on the Nigeria stock market, and tend to perform well during times of inflation rise. Here are two exceptional banks I will be considering to move even higher in price. One is more aggressive in their dealings and the other is more conservative in their dealings too. Access Holdings plc, ticker, Access Corp. From my analysis, the first financial institution you can buy at a discount right now is Access Holdings plc. This bank is a more aggressive player and moves swiftly in their operation. Access Holdings plc, formerly as Access Bank plc, is one of leading financial institution, offering banking products and services for the retail, private, corporate and institutional and non-institutional sectors in Africa and Europe. The company offers solutions for corporate and investment banking, commercial banking, personal banking and business banking. After becoming a holding company last year, they now offers cash management and treasury services, project and structured finance, supply chain and trade finance, insurance, brokerage services, liquidity management, and debt management programs. The company was established in 1989 and has approximately 300 branches. The latest giant stride is the acquisition of Standard Chartered Sub-Saharan Africa businesses in Angola, Cameroon, Gambia, Sierra Leone, as well as its consumer, private and business banking business in Tanzania. Access Holdings stock has been a strong performer in recent years, with share price at 14.95 naira. Last year, it traded between 7 naira to 9 naira. And today, DYOR look at a 100% profit this year, when it rose to all-time high of 18.90 naira. Access Holding has more room for more growth, because of numerous investment ventures they have. As of July 14, 2023, total number of shares traded is 38.8 million shares, with liquidity value of 92.6 billion naira. This equates to 68.28% increase for 1 year change. This year, Access Holdings share price rose to its all-time high, 18.90 naira, before dropping to 14.95 naira. If you ask me, I will say, there are still room for much growth. Its market cap stood at 556.3 billion naira, with current share price, 14.95 naira. Last year ending, Access Bank increased its dividends to shareholders to 1 naira 50 kobo, from 1 naira they paid in the previous year, 2021. Access Holding plc, current dividend yield is 13.16%. Sterling Financial Holdings Company plc, ticker, Sterling. The second dividend stock to buy at discount right now is Sterling Financial Holdings Company plc. Sterling Bank has been on my radar, as way back as 2009, when I was still a young man and new to investing in stock market. This bank is more conservative in their mode of operation and in the type of acquisitions they have made, with their slow and steady approach. Sterling Bank provides services to individuals, small businesses, SMEs, and large corporations. As of December 2021, the bank's branch network numbered 141 branches, distributed throughout countries, with total assets valued in excess of 1.6 trillion naira. The bank's operations and products are grouped into retail and consumer banking, commercial banking, institutional banking and corporate banking. Overall, Sterling Bank achieved a 20.2% growth in profit after taxes to reach 13.5 billion. This underpins the 4.2% growth in shareholders' funds recorded as at year-end. Fast forward to July 14, 2023, total number of shares traded is 5.9 million shares with liquidity value of 7.8 billion naira. This equates to over 100.65% increase for 1 year change. Its market cap stood at 89.5 billion naira, with current share price, 3.11 naira. Since 2018, Sterling Bank stock was trading within 1 to 2 naira range, while other banks were making upward moves. Not until this year, the share price rose in percentage, more than other top banks during the bull market, increasing to over 120%, to reach its all-time high price of 4 naira 58 kobo, before dropping to the current share price of 3 naira 11 kobo. Sterling Bank spent their bad years streamlining their daily operations and building a suitable banking technology. They also has a superior balance sheet and fewer capital expenditures as major projects were completed over the last several years. In addition, Sterling Bank dividend yield currently stood at 8.57%. The dividend pay has been on yearly increase since 2018, which is a good sign too. Sterling Bank has payout ratio of 15.77% and has raised the payout every year for the last 5 years. This conservative stock has held up remarkably well through during bank crisis, but it's still well off the 52-week high. Remember, if you are an employee, please like and subscribe to our channel to support our channel so we can create more contents for you. Thanks.